Hey guys, this is Aaron here from BrewOps. Today we're going to be installing the BrewOps Chill on a plate heat exchanger coming off the brew house. You don't have to install the chills on a chiller measuring the glycol coming in and coming out. You can install them on heat exchangers, hot water or steam lines, any sort of process piping where you want to understand usage and consumption and watch the data to make better informed decisions about your operations. So to start, we have our BrewOps Chill kit. It comes in a 2-pack. Inside the kit, you'll find all of our installation, warranty, and instructional materials. So definitely keep the hang of those. You've got a nice BrewOps ice pack. You've got some hose clamps for the installation. Today we'll be using zip ties so that we don't mar the nice stainless steel piping. And we have some extra thermal putty pads for the bottom of the chill. The design of the chill is pretty simple. It sits on top of the pipe, makes contact with the bottom, that's where the thermal putty pad is, and then either the zip tie or the hose clamp goes through this channel to rigidly attach it to the pipe. The battery is on the inside. To turn it on, you'll press the button on the top once, that'll wake it up, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to install. Meet me over at the brew house and we'll get started. Now we'll set up the chills using the BrewOps mobile app. First, we'll click on Entering and assign a sensor. Sensors closest to you will have a higher signal strength, so we'll pick the first one on the list. Next, we'll adjust the upper and the lower level threshold for when alarms will trigger. We can choose to have alarms trigger immediately or adjust the timing so that they're delayed before they send an alarm. This helps avoid nuisance alarms. Next, we'll do the same thing on the leaving side of the chiller. We'll pick the one with the highest signal strength, which is typically closest to us. We'll adjust the threshold settings and hit save. To further customize the piece of equipment, we can change the photo associated with it to change it from being a chiller to a heat exchanger. And finally, you'll now see the data in real time for entering and leaving temperatures. Now if you follow me over here, we'll go check out the BrewOps gateway. You can see up on this metal support, we have the gateway magnetically attached, so it's super easy to install. You can see the green light, which means that it's connected to the internet. Whenever it flashes blue, it means that it's collecting data from the BrewOps sensors. The data is collected, securely sent to the cloud, and put into historical data storage, where our brewers here can analyze the data and make sure that their knockouts are consistent, that they're happening on time, and that there are no issues with the heat exchanger. All right, we're here now with Mike here after we installed the BrewOps chills and want to see what he thinks.
Hey, I'm Mike and I'm one of the brewer cellarmans here. And what we're working with before we had this set up was just this analog temperature probe, and that can be a hit or miss. And when we have something like this, we don't even need to come down here to check the temperature. We could just do it all up there on the deck. So it saves time, it's more efficient, and it gets us, moving in the right way.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no problem.